Uh, Thank you for coming on my channel again, and thank you for having me. It's a pleasure. All right, so I was able to draw this. Yeah, I was able to draw this to come up with this just within 30 minutes. It was even more. It was lesser than 30 minutes. 30 minutes is too much. I think I was able to do it within 15 to 10 minutes. Yeah. So I'm going to take you through the whole thing so that you understand how I got this thing. So let's start by creating a new page, a new artboard. So Control N will give us create a new document. So I'll name it kite. How should I spell my kite? Okay, Kite. Okay, this is how I spell my kite. You can choose to spell it any which way you think is good for you. So I spell my kite Kite. Okay, so with the help of the enter, I'll leave everything to be the same because I actually don't need any. I don't need to change anything. It's A4. It's okay. I don't care about the paper size. But then when you're designing, you should consider the paper size. Okay, the paper size is very necessary when you're designing. That will give you the measurements. If you get it wrong, the whole thing you did was wrong. Check your paper size, check your resolution, and name your artwork. These are the basic things you should remember when you're working. Okay, so I click OK. Hello, a new page is opened. All right, so let's get started. All right, so with the help of the freehand tool, I can use any tool to do it. Yeah, let's try a box or let's say a rectangular tool. So we draw a rectangle. Then we come for the shape tool. Then we convert the box into curves. Then we just hit here. It easily gives us or gives me the size I want. I just have to reposition it. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. So it will easily give me the size. And with the picture in my head and how I want the kite to look like, I can be moving the knots. These are called knots, and these are lines. Every line meets at a knot. A knot is where two or three lines meet in drawing, so it's a knot. Okay. So let's see if Coreldraw will give us the name. Okay. Well, still decided not to give us. Okay, let's continue. So I can get this shape with the help of the rectangular tool, and I can also get this with the help of freehand tool. So I'm going to drop that one too. I just want to beef up your knowledge about uh, Coreldraw. So you realize I just got two same shape with the help of two different tools. Okay, with a pick tool, with each of them you pick a pick tool. But then with the box, with a rectangular tool, you're going to pick the rectangular, create a box, then come for shape tool to help you, get the way the lines the way you want it. So I'm going to delete one. I will prefer to use let's see, let me leave the box and delete the one I did with freehand. So it's up to you to choose what you want to do. So yeah, we have started. Now I have my shape that I've been looking for. So I need to start by creating some other parts of the kite or the plane, the paper jet or paper whatever, paper kite or something. Yeah, paper kite. I need to create another part of it. So I'm going to just reduce this down a little bit. Then okay, this okay. Then push it up a little bit. All right. So this is okay for me. The idea I have in my head, this is okay. I don't know which one you have in your head. So this is what I'm going to do. With the help of simplifying, I'll click this with the help of shift and click this one, which will collectively combine the two objects to be one. Then I'll come here and say, hey guys, trim this for me. So they look at what when I told them to trim, look at what they're going to do. Ta-da! It is trimmed. Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, so it is trimmed. Now I'll need to make a line to divide this thing into what I have pictured in my head. So let's go back to freehand tool. I picked the freehand tool. Realize when I go in there, it's a freehand tool. Okay. With F5 can get us a freehand tool. Okay. So before I can draw the lines and know exactly where they're going, I have about, I think, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knots. Okay, 6 knots. There's only one of the knots who's going to be the center point from where every line will start from and end on the other knot. So we're just going to make lines for just 3 knots. So we pick the rectangular tool, sorry, the freehand tool, then we create a line and make sure it falls on this particular knot. This particular knot. Okay. Then we draw another one. Then it falls on that knot exactly on there. Then we pick another one. Then it falls on the top one. Alright. Now you can see what I have here is what I've made here. Okay. Now let's zoom in and realign the lines well. Every line is supposed to go through this one, this particular one. Let's move them gradually and take them there. Alright. Alright, so I am getting my, I don't know about yours. You can pause the video and try your hands. But I'm not going to wait for you because it's a video. You can come back and continue. Alright, so let me zoom here. And then come for the freehand tool and reshape this one to fall on the notes, just as I wanted them. Okay, so we zoom out. Now we have all the three lines where we need them to be. So this is what we're going to highlight all the three. You realize my highlight didn't highlight the whole object, but then some parts of the page means I just wanted what is in there to be highlighted. So I have highlighted the three lines, and this is what I did. I combined them to be one, even though they are three, they're combined to be one. And this is what I want the lines to do. I want the lines to do me another line on this one. So we click on the line, then with the help of shift, we click on the main object, then we go trim again. Now it will trim and make lines for us. Alright. So this is where I'm done with the lines. I don't need them, so I can delete them from now. Ta-da! I have a kite. Alright, so we will have to break apart all the other parts of this kite so that we can color it nicely. Alright, so this is where I broke it. I'm breaking them apart. You can realize they're all different. Alright, okay. So we can start coloring now. I want here to be this color, this color, this color. Sorry, not this one. I don't check whites. Ah, you. So after doing it this way, you don't want the color to just remain this because this parts of the design, the light, I want the light to throw from here to the hand. So this place is supposed to have some shadows. Alright. So let's go for the interactive fill tool, which many will say gradient tool, because those using the Photoshop and Illustrator will say gradient tool. So before I have to click on the object, the particular side I want to have effect on. Then just drag, pull and drag and leave. So I want this place to be the lighter part. and the white background is going to be the darker. So I'm just positioning it there. Then I'll color that place to be blue, not really blue. Yeah, and okay, all right. So this is it. This one too, I want a little fade down here. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a little color. So this place. Okay. So let's pretend that as if this side is a little bit curved, even though it looks straight. So we can give a little shadow down here to help our kite looks more beautiful. So okay. This is how beautiful the interactive tool can help you get what you need. Alright. I think I changed the colors a little bit here. It's not the same as the other one I did. Okay. This is how I want my kite to look like. And let's go back to what I did before. Let's see. So you can see we are at the right point on it. Okay, so this kite is lying somewhere. So I'll have to create a shadow for it, and you still need the freehand tool to get this thing done. Okay, so let me create the dark version of the whole thing here for us to see. Okay, so I go to convert bitmap, I click OK, I go to effects, then go for blur, then go to Gaussian blur, then it start working on automatically. So I have to just increase the thickness so that it will really look blurry. Alright, I think I like it here. So now where it is placed, I don't like it. So let's rearrange the whole artwork. The first layer, which is this black, is going to go where it's supposed to go, which is down. Extremely down. Alright. So this is where our tutorials today is going to leave us. Try this out.